Oh, why is it so hot, bro? So if you guys watched the last video, I took the E46 out to the canyons just yesterday, actually. And I left feeling a little bit disappointed. And so I decided that we have to try taking this car out to the canyons. However, if you've watched the other videos, you also know that the rear tires in this car are very, very worn, and because of that, we don't have that much grip. I don't know, bro. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But apparently, this track mode is a little bit safer. Like it allows a bit of slip, but at the same time, it doesn't turn everything off. And because this is not my car, and I'm also not very familiar with how to drive it yet, we're gonna be driving with this mode on so that we hopefully don't wreck my cousin's car. So I found this other spot called Santiago. It also looks easier than Ortega Highway, so it shouldn't be as sketchy to push this car. Let's just go check out some canyons. I did get permission from my cousin to take it out to the canyons, but he said to be careful of long right turns because these cars are known for having that like weird engine problem, right? And I bring that up because we have a long right bender right here. We'll take it real slow so that nothing catastrophic happens. I mean, I'm sure it's fine, but not my car. This thing's so planted around turns, bro. It's crazy. The one thing I am worried about right now, besides the balding out tires, is I'm not too comfortable heel towing in this car, and I don't know how that'll affect our canyon run. I mean, hopefully we can just stay in like third gear the entire way, and like we don't have to change gears that often. I'm definitely not going to be able to push it as much as I would want to. Let's just make it. Let's just do it. Oh, no grip, no grip, no grip. Oh, it's sliding around. Oh, differential kicked in nicely though. Oh, nice little 488. I guess our motorcyclist will be joining us on this. What the fuck is that? What? Oh, E92 M3 coming too? Why are there so many stoplights? What? Trust the process. Still got some beautiful scenery. Miata! Ooh! Ooh! Silverado Canyon Road? Where's Silverado Canyon Road? Now you're making me curious. Don't push it too hard on the right turns. I don't know how to heel toe. We'll try it. Fuck that up. Oh, we caught up to the E92 though. Okay, I feel like that E92 driver would be more familiar with the roads out here. So if he goes somewhere, I'm just gonna follow him. E92 is turning left, so I'm turning left with him. Ooh, next 4 miles. Oh, this is real nice. Oh, these banks are so nice. I feel bad for tailgating him. I'm gonna give him some space. Live Oak Canyon Road, my friends. rear almost slipped out on me there. I fucked up. I'm just catching up to this guy too quickly. I'm gonna try to... Oh, dude, I could be out here all day. No! Okay, oh, God. Oh my God, it's so good. It's so forgiving too. I thought that was a cop for a sec. Holy shit. Okay. I need a gr86. At fucking 8, 9 tenths. Sketchy. Fucked up there. Ah! Easy to the right, easy to the right. M3! Oh my fucking God! I smell the brakes. I'm sorry, Matt. Matt, I fucking love you and your car. Okay, this person's going way too slow. But that's fine. That's fine, dude. You know what, dude? Fuck my E46. This is the fucking GOAT. I can't imagine what this car would be like with proper tires. That is, ooh. these roads, way too sketchy. I am I am not going fast around here, bro. Okay, honestly, I was so wrong about this car. This car not being a good daily driver, well, falling apart under 7/10, whatever, shit doesn't matter. If you have this car and you're not taking it to back roads, you fucking wasted your money. The dynamics of this car is perfection once you're pushing it. Like, once you're on the limit, this thing is perfect. Oh, I'm a happy man. With proper tires, some sort of clutch modification, and just like add sound deadening throughout the cabin, and this thing would fucking rock. The road noise doesn't really add to the experience, I don't think, honestly. Yeah, I think when you're thinking about like what you need from an auditory experience perspective, road noise doesn't make driving a visceral experience, right? It's more the vibrations from the drivetrain and like the engine and the exhaust note. And so I would personally just add sound deadening in the door cards in the back seat, and probably just get like a not so obnoxious exhaust for it, just to make it sound a little bit better. But other than that, like, dude, my bad, Toyota, my bad. Dude, like I was looking at prices online, and these were still going for like $30,000 with 30,000 miles. And that's kind of insane. And so honestly, if it were me, I'd still probably opt for like a nicely taken care of E36 M3, because like I said this in the other video, but I still think an E36 M3 would be more rewarding to drive in all scenarios. Like, this car on the street, I don't like it. Forget about Ortega Highway, forget about Santiago Canyon Road. That was money. That was money.